Solitude isn't just the absence of noise or people. It's a sacred space where your soul connects with the profound whispers of the universe. It's in these moments of true silence that you confront your life's purpose, not with fear but with a yearning for clarity and understanding. Though the world may view your solitude as withdrawal, remember, it is in these solitary moments that you truly meet yourself. Far from escaping reality, you are delving into the depths of your being. In this deep reflection, you are transformed, and when you step back into the light, you shine with an inspiring clarity. If your path feels solitary, it's not a sign of misstep or lack. Embracing solitude is crucial. In these quiet moments, you discover the essence of who you are. The whispers of long-forgotten dreams and deepest desires echo through the silence, urging you on a journey inward, the most vital voyage you'll ever undertake. Solitude forces you to face your inner turmoil and navigate through it. It's a challenging process where you confront and release past hurts, continuously reshaping your thoughts. This isolation isn't punishment but preparation. The universe has seen the depths of your desires and is guiding you to solitude, helping you forge yourself into the person you aspire to be. This transformation requires a new environment, mindset, and perspective, all aligned with your deepest desires. Your beliefs, influenced by society and close circles, often don't serve your true aspirations. Solitude provides a pause, allowing you to question these influences and realign your thoughts. In isolation, you rediscover the art of self-love. True love starts within and spreads outward, enriching all aspects of your life. As you nurture your soul with kindness and compassion, you become a beacon of love, ready to uplift others. This journey of solitude is about empowerment. It's about reclaiming your energy from those who've drained you and setting boundaries against toxicity, whether from friends, partners, or family. By recovering your spiritual energy, you gain the power to influence your life profoundly. In solitude, you embrace your authenticity, shedding the masks you wear for the world. Free from the need for external validation, you express your true self, inspiring others to find their unique paths. Remember, being alone on this spiritual path is a sign of your destined greatness. The wisdom and emotional depth you gain are beyond what many will ever experience. This journey is not just about enduring pain, but about transcending it to reach a state of unconditional love and liberation. As you realize the full extent of your capabilities, you stand alone not just as a survivor, but as a creator, a master of your destiny. These revelations come during moments of solitude, turning your darkest hours into the most enlightening segments of your life. Solitude is not loneliness. It's a journey of self-discovery and profound growth. Embrace this transformative power and honor the divine wisdom that unfolds within the sanctuary of your soul. In this sacred space, you'll discover your true essence, guided by the light within and the boundless love that resides in your heart. As we delve deeper into the significance of solitude in our spiritual journey, it's important to understand the profound transformations that occur during these periods of self-reflection. Solitude is not merely a state of being alone. It's a profound engagement with the deepest aspects of your soul, where you come to understand your life's true calling. Many fear solitude because it is often painted with the brush of loneliness. However, in these quiet moments away from the noise of the world, you find the courage to face your innermost fears and aspirations. It is here, in the silence of your own company, that you have the opportunity to ask yourself the tough questions. Who am I truly? What is the purpose of my existence? How can I align my daily actions with my deepest values? This introspection is crucial for personal growth. As you explore these questions, you start peeling back the layers of societal conditioning and superficial desires. You uncover passions and goals that resonate with your soul, rather than those dictated by external expectations. This is the power of solitude. It strips away the non-essential, leaving you with the purity of your authentic desires. In this journey of solitude, you also encounter the resilience of your spirit. Each moment of aloneness teaches you to depend more on your inner strength. This is not to say the journey is easy. There will be moments of doubt and discomfort. Yet these are the very experiences that build your character. Just as a diamond is formed under pressure, so too is your spirit forged in the solitude of introspective thought. Consider the nature around us, how a seed must be buried in the dark soil before it can sprout and seek the sunlight. Similarly, your periods of solitude are like that dark soil, nurturing and preparing you to grow towards your own light. It is in these moments that you plant the seeds of your future self, watering them with your dreams and cultivating them with your actions. As you continue to explore your inner landscape, solitude becomes a trusted friend. You learn to enjoy your own company, finding peace in your thoughts and solace in your dreams. This comfort in being alone is a sign of maturity and emotional independence. It signifies a shift from external reliance to internal stability, where your happiness and peace are derived from within, not from the fleeting opinions and presence of others. This transformation is deeply empowering. When you realize that you can be completely self-sufficient, your relationships with others transform as well. No longer do you seek companionship out of neediness or fear of being alone. Instead, you choose to connect with others based on genuine desire and mutual respect. This leads to healthier, more fulfilling relationships that contribute positively to your life. Moreover, solitude enhances your creativity. In the quiet, undisturbed spaces of your mind, creativity flourishes. Ideas that were once drowned out by the chaos of daily life begin to surface. You may find yourself picking up old hobbies or discovering new passions. This creative resurgence not only enriches your life but also provides a sense of accomplishment and joy. It's important to note that embracing solitude does not mean shunning social interaction. Rather, it's about finding a balance where you can enjoy both the company of others and the peace of solitude. This balance is crucial for a well-rounded life. Social interactions can provide support, joy, and inspiration, while solitude gives you the space to process experiences and reflect on personal growth. As you integrate these experiences of solitude into your life, remember to share your journey with others. There are many out there who struggle with being alone, who view it as a negative rather than a positive experience. By sharing your story, you can inspire others to explore the beauty of solitude. Show them that it is a path not of loneliness, but of rich self-discovery and personal empowerment. As we venture further into the essence of solitude, let's explore how this sacred silence serves as a catalyst for profound inner transformation and spiritual awakening. In these moments of isolation, far from being an experience of emptiness, solitude is filled with the profound presence of the universe communicating directly with your soul. Imagine solitude as a blank canvas. In the hustle and bustle of daily life, this canvas is often splattered haphazardly with the colors of external influences, opinions, expectations, and societal norms that dictate how we should feel, think, and act. However, when you embrace solitude, you are handed the brush to paint your own picture, guided by the deepest truths of your own being. This is where you get to redefine your identity and purpose, free from external constraints. In these quiet moments, listen intently. What does your heart truly desire? What dreams have you set aside because they didn't fit the mold others created for you? Solitude provides the space to ask these critical questions, and in the answers, you begin to sketch a new, authentic path for yourself. This redefined path often leads to a radical transformation in how you perceive and interact with the world. When you are aligned with your true self, your approach to life changes. You become more intentional in your actions, more passionate about your pursuits, and more compassionate toward yourself and others. This alignment brings a sense of peace and confidence that permeates all areas of your life. Moreover, the benefits of solitude extend into the realm of emotional intelligence. Being alone with your thoughts and feelings teaches you to navigate the complex landscape of your emotions. You learn to identify, understand, and manage your emotions more effectively. This emotional awareness is crucial not only for personal well-being but also for building strong and healthy relationships with others. As you grow more comfortable in your solitude, you develop a deeper appreciation for the small joys and simple pleasures of life. A quiet morning, the beauty of nature, the pleasure of a good book, these experiences become sources of immense joy and satisfaction. Solitude teaches you to live in the moment, to cherish the present rather than constantly striving for the next big thing. This mindful approach to life cultivated in solitude can also lead to a greater sense of gratitude. When you are not constantly overwhelmed by external stimuli, you become more aware of the blessings in your life, no matter how small. This gratitude not only enhances your own happiness, but also makes you a more positive presence in the lives of those around you. However, embracing solitude and the self-awareness it brings can also be challenging. It often requires confronting aspects of yourself that you may have been avoiding. This can include acknowledging fears, biases, and past experiences that have shaped who you are. Facing these truths can be difficult, but it is a necessary step towards genuine self-improvement and healing. In these challenging moments, remember that solitude is not about achieving perfection. It's about progress and growth. It's about becoming more in tune with who you are and striving to live in alignment with your true self. Each step, no matter how small, is a victory in this journey. As you continue to embrace solitude, you may find that your life's priorities shift. What once seemed critically important may lose its urgency as you gain a clearer understanding of what truly matters to you. This realignment can affect all areas of your life: career, relationships, personal goals, leading to changes that are more in sync with your inner values. This profound inner clarity is one of the greatest gifts of solitude. It allows you to lead a life that is not just reactive to the demands of the outer world, but is actively shaped by your deepest understanding of yourself and your purpose in life. As we near the conclusion of this exploration of solitude, it's important to recognize that the journey is ongoing. The insights and transformations that arise from solitude are not endpoints. They are waypoints on a much longer voyage of self-discovery and personal evolution. If you're really enjoying today's content and want to show some extra support, consider sending a super thanks, either by clicking on the button right below this video or the three dots. It looks like a heart within a dollar sign. By clicking on it, you can choose to make a small contribution to our channel. Your super thanks not only helps us continue creating great videos, but also lets us know that you're finding value in what we're doing. We appreciate each and every one of you for being here and supporting our channel. In closing, I encourage you to view solitude not as a burden but as a blessing. It is a powerful tool that, when embraced, can lead to remarkable self-awareness, growth, and fulfillment. Take this time to reflect on your own relationship with solitude. How can you incorporate more meaningful moments of solitude into your life? How can it serve as a catalyst for the changes you wish to see in yourself? Remember, you are the artist of your life, and solitude is one of your most effective tools. Use it to paint a picture of who you are and who you aspire to be. Let the quiet moments be your guide, and trust that the journey, though solitary at times, is rich with potential and promise. Thank you for joining me on this deep dive into the transformative power of solitude. If this video has inspired you, please like, share, and subscribe to Enlighten for more content designed to support your journey of personal and spiritual growth. Your engagement helps us spread positivity and inspiration to a wider audience. I am grateful for your presence here, and I look forward to continuing this journey together. Remember, in the solitude of your soul, you are connected to the vastness of the universe. Embrace it and let it guide you to the heights of your potential. Until next time, cherish your moments of solitude, and may they bring you closer to the true essence of your being.